Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are learning page number 27 and we are explaining step by step how to say the letter in Sukoon, because these all letters which has Sukoon will get their sifat, their qualities, and you have to apply it. I will explain it for you step by step, inshallah. So hamza, fatha, hamza, a, i. Why? This sound is very sharp and it gets abruptly stopped because it is part of ashidda huruf, and abbreviation of ashidda is this S and H, and ashidda huruf are ajid, qatim, bakat. Hamza, Jim, Dal, Qaf, Ta, Ba, Kaf, Ta. These are the letters. Whenever these are with Sukoon, will be pronounced with shidda. Shidda means very sharp, it will get very sharp stop. The makhraj of the letter will cut off the sound right away. There will be no flow of sound. No, okay, I'll write it down for you. There will be no flow of sound. And for Lin Hamar, the second category is Lin Hamar. And Lin Hamar are the letters, whenever these are with Sukoon, will get sifa of tawassut. And tawassut is a medium flow of sound. This is a medium flow of sound. This is a medium flow of sound. And this is no flow of sound, no flow whatsoever, no flow of sound. So, so when you are stopping at hamza, like you are giving up on hamza, the makhraj should be cut off right away. A, I, U. Can you feel the difference? If hamza was alone, the sound will be A, I, U. But here, when you are joining this hamza with hamza, the sound should cut right away. A, I, U. Okay. Now comes ha. Ha is the letter among the letter which have rakhawa, and rakhawa is flow of sound. Like sound should not stop until the next letter will come. So the sound should flow very nicely. So which letters are these? All the letters which are other than Ajid, Qatim, Bakat, and Lin Umar are under this category. And abbreviation of rakhawa is capital R. So all other letters fall under this category, other than Ajid, Qatim, Bakat, and Lin Umar. So ha is not part of Ajid, Qatim, Bakat. Ha is not part of Lin Umar. So it will be under Ra. Under rakhawa. Rakhawa is flow of sound. Flow of sound. Flow of sound. Ashidda is no flow of sound. Tawassut is medium flow of sound, and rakhawa is nice flow of sound. So look how it is being pronounced. It should flow. And E. Remember, you give kasra a very nice E sound. Don't drop it if you are joining it with the letter coming up. E, say E, and then give rakhawa on ha. E. E. Ooh. You're circling your lips well, and as soon as you will touch ha, you will keep the sound, you'll keep this your lips very in a natural position. Ooh. Now comes Ain. Okay. Which category it falls in? Ajid, Qatim, Bakat? No. These are Hamza, Jim, Dal, Qaf, Ta, Ba, Kaf, Ta. Is this belongs to this category? Tawassut, Lin Umar? Yes, look, this is Ain here. So Ain is a tawassut letter. So we will write capital T here because we shouldn't miss this quality. So it should flow like medium flow of sound, medium. It should not flow too long. It should not cut off the sound as it. No, you will give it a medium flow of sound. Ah, ah, and Ain should be from your throat. Ah, and then E. Give E. Hamza is very nice sound. E and then attach with the Ain, and Ain will get tawassut, and tawassut is a medium for sound. Look, E. I'm not saying E. I'm not shutting down as ashadda letters are. They shouldn't. And I'm not saying ear, ear. I'm not giving it a very long flow of sound, but giving it a medium flow of sound. This is what tawassut called. Tawassut is a medium flow of sound. Tawassut, we also say in Urdu, wast. Wast is in the middle. So this is in the middle of ashidda and a rakhawa. Like it's not very sharply stopped, and it is not flowing very long, but it is a medium flow of sound. Ew. Look, this sound is the wasut. Ew. And then dhamma, with dhamma, circle your lips, and as soon as you will pronounce ain, your lips should be in a natural position. Alhamdulillah. Now comes ha. Where ha falls. Is this a part of ashadda huruf? No. Hamza, jim, dal, qaf, ta, ba, kaf, ta. There is no ha. Is this belong to this category? Lin, amma? No, there is no ha. So it will be part of rakhawa. So rakhawa is a flow of sound. It should flow very well. It should be from your throat, and it should flow very well. Then give a very clear sound of kasra and attach with ha. Then dhamma. As soon as you will pronounce ha, your lips should be in a very normal, natural position. Look, the sound is not stopping. It goes on. And then ghain. Where it belongs? Yes, it belongs under this rakhawa, because this is not part of Lenormand, this is not part of Ajit Qatim Bagat, so we will write capital R. So we shouldn't drop its sifa, and sifa is rakhawa. And ghain is a heavy letter too, so we will write capital H. So it is heavy and it is getting rakhawa. So how it should sound? It is aw. For kasra, give ew. The sound shouldn't stop. For dhamma, circle your lips, and as soon you will say wine, your lips should be in a very normal and natural position. Otherwise, you will give sense that ghain has dhamma too. No, there is no dhamma on ghain. There is sukoon. And whenever you are saying any letter with sukoon, your lips should be in a normal, natural position. Then come kha. Where it belongs? Yes, it is under the category of rakhawa. So you will write capital R. And rakhawa is a flow of sound. And kha is heavy letter too. How you come to know that this is heavy and this is light letter? Yes. Qussa daqtin. These are the letters which are always heavy. Qussa, daqtin, this is dot, dot, going low, clean. This is to, qiv, low. This is rain, dot, rain, dot, dot, thin, qiv are the letters which are always heavy. Qiv. So, so we found that kha is part of this khusad tanqis, so this is heavy and it belongs to rakhawa. The sound should flow very well. Ah, ah. There shouldn't be a dragging sound in kha. It should be ah, and it shouldn't go towards ha. It's not ah, it's ah, ih. Give very clear sound of kasra, e, and then attach with kha, ih. And for dhamma, circle your lips, and as soon as you will touch kha, you have to keep your lips in a very straight and natural and normal position. The sound should flow because this belongs to rakhawa. Okay, where qaf stands? Yes, it is part of ajit khatim bakat. Oh, yes. Okay, so we will write shidda. Capital H, capital S and H. So this is shidda letter. But the problem is when we are giving shidda, the qaf will not be clearly heard. It will be up. Look, yes, this is a shidda. When I'm saying a shidda, shidda is to cut off your sound right away. Up. Yes, this is heavy too. Look, this is part of this is qaf. So this is heavy too. So I'm lifting my tongue up to say this heavy letter, but you are not able to hear it properly. This So what should we do? So this is the rule of Arabiya. This is rule of Quran and Tajweed, that when you are saying qutu wujatin of ba, jim, dal. These are the 5 letters. Whenever these are with Sukoon, we'll get sifa of Qalqalah. Sifa of Qalqalah. And Qalqalah is when you say the letter with shidda, you are closing the makhraj very tightly. Then to create Qalqalah, and you open your makhraj little, and this is called Qalqalah. And Qalqalah is taba'ud, like you are aparting, you are opening the makhraj to bring this sifa. Why this sifa is there? Because it will make your letter to be hearable. Otherwise, it was not able to hear. Okay, so how will you say? You will apply shidda first, up, and then you will open the makhraj to bring this sifa up, up, up. Yeah, this is the way you are applying Qalqalah. So you will give this capital Q instead of shidda, because after shidda, the final thing what you're applying is Qalqalah. So you will not actually, yes, you should know that you are applying shidda, but the final thing is Qalqalah. So you will write capital Q at the end when you are saying qaf. So for kasra, with kasra before the letter, it will be iqo, iqo. And dhamma, for dhamma, circle your lips. But as soon as you will say this qaf, letter qaf, it is with sukoon. Your lips should be in a very normal and natural position. Uqa, uqa. Yes, mashallah, you did very well. Okay, ak, it was kaf. So kaf is among the letters which have hums. Yes, hums is the flow of breath. This is a flow of breath. So فحسه شخص سكت. فحسه شخص سكت are the letters. Whenever these are with sukoon, we'll get sifa of hums, and hums is a flow of breath. So how will you say ak, ak? This is not qalqalah. You are not saying ak. No, this is a flow of breath. Ak, ak. There is a great difference. Then with kasra, give ik, ik. And for dhamma, circle your lips. But as soon as you will touch letter kaf, it should be in a natural position. Ok, ok. For jeen, yes, jeen is a light letter and it is part of Qutubujatin. So you will apply Qalqalah, and it is part of a Shidda huruf too. So you are applying Shidda at first, but the final thing will be Qalqalah. Yes, so you are applying Qalqalah. Aj, aj. And then Ij. For kasra, give E sound and apply qalqala on jim, ij, and dhamma, uj. Sheen. Sheen is the part of rakhawa. Rakhawa. Rakhawa is a flow of sound. The sound should flow very well. Ash, and there is the fashi too. The sound should spread and sound should flow. Ash. With kasra, ish. For dhamma, ush. And you will circle your lips for dhamma. As soon as you will pronounce sheen, your lips should be in a natural position, not in a dhamma position. Ush. And afa will get sifa of hums. Hums is a flow of breath. Af. This can you hear the sound? Af. You are pressing your upper two teeth, the edge of your upper two teeth, to the lower lip. So when you are pressing, the breath is there. Af, if, oof. For circle your lips for dhamma. As soon as you will touch fa, your lips should be in a normal position. Oof. Dot is a letter which will get rakhawa and it will get istiqala. So the sound should flow. And that is heavy letter too, because this is part of qussa, dot, qis. Look, this is dot, dot. So dot is a heavy letter, dot has rakhawa, the sound should flow. Id. Don't drop this E sound and then keep this the sound flow for dot. Id. And then would. سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. أنه Kama barakna. Kama barakna.